Sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
It's on my day, press switch up when you in the bench truck. Always wanna fuck, tell the bitch good luck. Always wanna fuck, cause I don't wanna wait now.
Lil Peep hi aming dik tak chu Gustav Elijah Arani a November ni khat kumsang kha chakwa somkwa paruka Allentown Pennsylvania apianga Long Island New York a kumli ani inanin sona heta hian ahun amang na salea unau pa pian pui pakhat aneya ama aina upazoka aming chu Carl Arani anu hi Liza Wamekani a apa chu Carl Johan Arani kumsom palian in anule pate hi an in chena apa po hena ron bele to ngai lawa pa te lawina ron selian ani elementary school hi Lindell Elementary School a akala high school chu Long Beach High School Lido Beach New York a akal china school hi akal rigu lo leya mase akal claim ang ain ati thachin leya school akal po in darkar khatpo a omtling thei chin lawa.
Yeah, I hear that.
I hate fuck high school.
Yeah.
An school campus tu pin vekania security an ombok nen nitin fit som ni asang fence te tu azwan kan china an mana naktu katan skuli ron kal theilawang suspend ni an ti po in acha ka ron kal lawang ati mai china anau pan lai tang hian mi jing om she omati a social awkward ane na sa a ama nge po ina soya heng mi tenen hian a in relate thei thin lawa zamna le konfi launa anei na saboka mi zinga skula wakalte ai chuan ama room chu angai na bera in chwa san hi angai na lo to pani mai high school a chuan an drop out ta a online computer course angkhan azir lai te chu a chhun zoma kar khata essay pakhat che azia angai china anu in hei po hi azia saklang pui china ni diploma chu ti chuan a zauta ani po online mangde uleri na siama mai chana mi bia kangam lawin nuwa matilawa aruma ahuna mangna sa a lanau pangle ma se a depression inti lumdu na ril rute anei na sa chen leya hetianga depression le ril ru shom hian adam chung hun kha abe nge nge ani aril rudam lau na le a she omna a mental health wang hianin dam doite po akhoi ve na sa chen ani SoundCloud le YouTube vela music angai na zong tele label nei lem lo mimalina an produce le an upload te angai thak chuan ti ve chak ta leya heng music te hian a inti hlumdu na ril ru atanga a chan chwa thu te po asoya dollar zani man microphone aleya a macbook a chuan a record thina garage band mangin a produce le thina ni kumsom pasari ani in atatu masaber amid velam noya broken heart lem chu achut tira heihian amala male atuina lampan tura afui abe se ani anua chuan Long Island anin ema wangin le a career tanti in Los Angeles a kumsom pasari ani ina insona chuta chuan nun chu alo har sa hleya a music ala hlotling silo achang le in lua man a pe theilawa omna tur nei lo te na oma New York let le angai pha hiala ma se anuwa chuan Florida rapper Craig Zen atonga online po in an lo in beto thina an pani le Florida rapper thau Gostemen le Memphis producer Jay Green tenen an pali in schema rap group chu an siama heng a thiante ina te hian a top thina kumsang ni som panga chuan a mixtape masaber a group thar member te puina nen Lil Peep part 1 chu a release a SoundCloud a upload a kar khata sang li chuangin an playa a hnuloka chuan a extended play masaber feels le mixtape dang live forever ti chu a release le a aron lar chho hle a mase a tir chuan a hlotling hal em bik lawa a music adang lam em awangin a music hi punk music dream pop le trap music lam hoi ni in a lyrics te chu a hlau awin lungai na lam hoi ani wangani ma se a skill sangin mitam takin an ngai na a fan sanga hle ani
I met him in London and he's such a fucking good dude and
He was really like such a good guy, such a talented fucking dude, and he was gonna fucking change music for fucking ever, and it sucks, dude. It sucked.
A debut mixtape ami single Star Shopping chu aron lar hlea label nei lawani nen base aina sa in alara aron lar chwa na ber chu a single Beamer Boy kha ani a he bang hian a concert na saber a group schema post nen Tucson Arizona a an nei ani an group member te po chu amimal angin an ron hlo tling chho zela an disband alo ngai ta a ma se an inkar chu a chechuang lawa an hmalam hunatan in thural takin an thok thewani Lil Peep chuan rap group dang Good Boy Click ti chu a join le a an ma ni nen chuan a debut full length mixtape Cry Baby ti chu kumsang ni som paruk kumlai holvel kha na release ani hemi chungchang a hian Lil Peep chuan a album pumpui hi ni thum chunga produce ania chuba ka poisa an nei lawa wangin a opo chu microphone thalem lo mantlom te a an record thu soyani mixtape dang a release le a Hellboy ti ani a YouTube le SoundCloud a upload a mitam takin an ngaina a share ta hlo zaw zwal sota alar pui hle a million views ani hiala Hellboy ami a hla pani OMFG le girls te po chu alarin mitam takin an du hle ani August ni sompanga kumsang ni sompasaria Lil Peep chuan a debut album Come Over When You're Sober ti chu a release a he album hi Billboard 200 charta number som thum pariat na laya a omani Lil Peep hian studio album pani aneya Come Over When You're Sober Part 1 le Come Over When You're Sober Part 2 te ania compilation album pakhata nei boka Everybody's Everything ti ania EP extended play som pani le mixtape panga le promotional single som ni pani aneya ni heng kan soi zinga then khathi chu athi nu a release te anni a album August ni sompanga kumsang ni sompasari a release Come Over When You're Sober ti chu a release atang chuan thathum vele kalaliama November ni sompanga kumsang ni sompasaria he album tan hian promotional tour Tucson Arizona viniwa anei dona concert chuan ma in tour basa tlai lamda rukrik mai namu hila a manager chuan voi ni ava endika alo mu hil ve a akai thau theilawa ma se avoi thumna chuan alo thoto lawa damdoi lam mi thiam te anon kalma in CPR te po chu alo ti a ma se anuwa chuan chumi muna ngei chuan kumsom ni pakhat mi lek ni in athi ti chu confirm ani ta ani athi ma hian video a Zenex paruk a 80 asoya zan ina kanin modon nya ti te po asoya
He did it! I almost choked to death. El Paso, I took 6 Xanax and I was lit. I'm good. I'm not sick. I'm gonna see y'all tonight.
December ni riata Pima County Office Medical Examiner te chuan fentanyl Xanax le benzodiazepine alprazolam overdose antia a blood test a chuan heng cannabis cocaine le painkiller tramadol te hi a positive a zu chu a in lo anti ni Milar tam tak le rapper dang ten an uizia an soin an posa hengzinga hian Diplo, Post Malone, Marshmello, Bella Thorne, Asap Nas, Ugly God, Lil Pump le Dua Lipa, XXXTentacion te hi alar zwalan ni.
Out there who's a Lil Peep fan, you guys know how talented he was. You guys know how great he was. Well, he was even more fucking great as a person.
Ama shadring na memorial hi December ni kumsang ni sompasaria Long Beach, New York anayani a Huntington Station, New York halani a apu huana avapte hi anda ani December ni ni kumsang ni som pasaria achiante achung tele offense te tan shat rang na le za na lantir na hun Long Beach New York an manga hemini thau hian London a ama shat rang na hun chu mangin Lil Peep lem lian tak chu Central London House of Parliament building banga antilang ani aming Lil Peep ti hi alo chwa dan chu anu in ano pan lai tang to in Peep ti hana kau thina midang bo in Peep ti chu an shelar ta hlea Lil Peep ti hi alo ni pha ta ani Bellator ne na lawin date to thina athi hi chuan social media star RJ Leo Rodriguez nen anin date mek ani achala hian get cake da yang ti ta tu hi achua jingkhat a thau chu achala hian alo amringota ati tir lai te angai to chuak zawlawani akuta hian homesick ti hi achuboka musician ani angin zinangai ngun hleya anu angai thin ema wangin achu ani angonga hian Pink Panther tatua omboka Venice Beach alien me lain aning deuh chuanin he Pink Panther tatu hi achu ani music lama atum chu music manga anun a inchan hima mi te lyrics manga a inti hlum tum na te a thul angkhan a music hian midang denun na chan him ve se ati ani athi hian zan khathil thuwa millionaire ani a fans te chuan online na a merchandise store te chu an lei zo vekani a music style hi emo rap ani athi ma dar ka re lo te a Instagram account a chuan when I die you'll love me ti hi a post ani future of emo ti ani thina adam chung are lo ema thil dang tam taka po ani turang ani man lawa athi hi alung chhat thlak le ani
dark and deeper dark and not to turn. So that's just basically the big idea of that is you just gotta go through it. My sweet little peeper is gone now, but he has surely left us a lot of wonderful material to review and consider. He has left me with new people to know. I am so proud of him. You have no idea.